Hi everyone, my name is Lloyd Armbrust. I'm the founder and CEO of Armbrust USA, and today I'm very excited to take a look at the new Breathe99 mask. We're very excited that we have this product to offer, and I'm going to be opening it and going through all of the different features of the mask. So first of all, I want to talk about the box. This is a shippable box, so you should be receiving it if you buy it from us in this exact box with a shipping label on it. It's got all this nice writing on it, and it's got a really nice message when you open it up. And then here are the individual pieces that you should be receiving. All right, so you've got your instruction card, the actual mask itself, which should be sealed. You should have 10 regular filters in here. And then this is the overlay that will actually hold everything onto your face. So you should basically have 4 things that come with your package. Now I'm going to open this up. And this should be sealed. And inside of this is the actual Breathe99 mask. Okay. Now this product is an injection molded product created from 3 different pieces, and then this is all welded together. These are made in Minnesota. What's really cool about Breathe99 is absolutely everything is sourced and made in the United States. These are the filter covers. This is what's going to hold your filter in place. So the way that this product works is you're going to put this into the filter casing here. You just kind of rub your finger along the edge and it will just kind of pop in there. The 99 is supposed to be facing up, but when you're looking at it, you should be able to read the 99. And then you're going to place this filter cap just like this. Make sure it's put in, and then you're just going to turn it like that. Now it's locked. Same thing, I'm going to do this again on this side. And then we're going to do like that. There you go. That's how the product needs to look. Now, I go ahead and do a soft test and make sure it fits on your face. It fits, we found, about 70–80% of faces. So you really want to feel where how it's going to fit well in your face. You're going to get a seal here and a seal up here. For my nose, I'm getting a pretty good seal. The key is breathe in and out and feel if you're getting a lot of air in and out of here. Now, a little bit of leakage is absolutely normal. This is not a P100. You're not going to go and get tear gassed with this thing. Now I'm going to open up the overlay. These are what's called a 3D knit. It's actually made in a really cool factory in North Carolina. So this is meant to be a very, very breathable overlay that's shouldn't restrict your breathing, and it's just meant to, 1, provide like a nice look, and then 2, affix it to your head. That's the only purpose of this. It's not supposed to provide any other filtration. It's just for looks and for holding it to your face. One thing I want to be very clear on, it's actually easy, and I've even done this wrong. When you hold this, make sure that there's a nose wire in here. Make sure that is at the top. It's very, very strong nose wire. If you have this flipped like this, you can actually wear it like this. That nose wire is really going to help with that extra level of seal on the top. So I highly recommend just really being careful on that. When you put this in, it's got these little hooks on the top and the bottom of the mask. And so you see how it hooks through like that. And it's just these things here. That's what those are for. The 99 is at the top, and then your nose wire is right at the top. And so it should look like this when you're done. But again, it's very easy to get that reversed. It's probably one of the most common mistakes that we see if you do it. Don't worry, it happens to all of us. I loosened this strap here, like this. And then I'm going to put this part over my neck like a necklace, right? And then I'm going to put it on again, just like I did without the strap, and it's going to go over the top of my head, okay? The top back of my head. Now you can do this a number of ways, but that is the recommended place for it. And that's now giving me an even better seal. Now, I haven't even tightened it yet. So now you can use that adjustable strap to tighten it. And you kind of want the adjuster to be in the top middle of your neck. And this is really good now. Now I'm just going to take this and just affix, just bend it a little bit towards my nose. And you can see that that is good. Now I'm breathing through the mask, and this thing is like almost like not wearing a mask. It's so breathable. Now obviously you are wearing a mask when someone looks at you, but for an elastomeric style mask, I feel like this is the least Bane looking, or the least weird looking mask, the most fashionable. And it's so much breathable area. It's just a comfortable mask. A couple other things I'm going to note real quick. It is made to be folded in half. So you could fold this in half and stick it in your back pocket if you want. Now I want to talk about the filtration and how often you should change this. Number one, do not store this thing in a case. That is probably one of the biggest mistakes people make. They say, hey, I'm just going to store this in like a sealed case or like a sealed bag. You're going to get moisture in that bag unless you have one of those devices, desiccant devices that absorbs moisture, and that's actually going to make it really, really musty, and that's not good. So you want it to be in a breathable area. That's much better. And then how long do these things last? How often do you need to change them? Well, that really depends how often you're going to use it. For me personally, I would change this probably once a day if I was wearing it. Like if I was in a situation, I'm around a lot of people, for me, these things are so cheap, I would change it every day if you're using it for a full day. But if you're only using it for 1 or 2 hours and going out, then you can probably get easily 24 hours of use out of that. That's sort of my rule of thumb. The nice thing about these filters is that they're easy to ship, they're small, they're cheap. You can buy a lot of them at once. It's going to save you a lot of money, and it's a lot more sustainable than throwing away disposable or KN95 masks. Last thing, how do you clean it? One of my favorite things about the Breathe99 is how easy it is to clean. You're just going to take the caps off like before, remove filters. These cannot be cleaned, they cannot be washed. You can take this, put this in your dishwasher, top rack, and it should be absolutely fine. You should be able to wash it. You can also use hot water and soap. You can use alcohol cleaners if you want. It's up to you. This is just a standard fabric. I wouldn't wash it that often, and if I would hand wash it just using dish soap in the sink and then leave it to dry. This one doesn't need to be as washed probably as much as this one because it's sitting up against your face. All right, that is the Breathe99. Thank you for sitting and watching this. I'm very excited that we were able to keep this product coming to the market and serve the tens of thousands of customers that have come to use this device every single day. And if you have any questions about the device, if you'd like me to do another video, please leave something in the comments.